topic, that is digital security, ethics and privacy. First of all, we see that what is digital security risk? A digital security risk is any event or action that could cause a loss or a damage of computer or mobile device, hardware, software, data, information or processing capability. Any illegal act involving the use of computer or related devices generally is referred to as computer crime. A cybercrime is an online or internet-based illegal act. The digital security risk includes hacker, crackers, corporate spies, unethical employees, and cyber terrorists. The next term we see internet and network attacks. Information transmitted over network has a higher degree of security risk than information kept on an organization permissions. Malware, short for malicious software, consists of programs that act without a user knowledge and alter the operations of computers and mobile devices. A firewall is a hardware and or software that protects a network resource from incursion. The next term we see unauthorized access and use. Organization take several measures to help prevent unauthorized access to use. Acceptable use policies, disable file and printer sharing. Access control define how can access a computer device or network, when they can access it, and what action can take while assessing it. A computer device or network should maintain an audit trail and record successful or unsuccessful access. Unauthorized access and use includes fingerprint reader, face recognition system, hand geometry system, voice verification system, signature verification system, iris recognition system. Two-step verification use two separate methods, one after the next, to verify the identity of user. Digital forensic is the discovery, collection or analysis of evidence found on computer and network. The next one we see is software thief. Software thieves occur when someone steals software media, intentionally erases programs, illegally registers or active a program, illegally copy a program. During the product activation, which is conducted either online or by phone, user provide the software product's identification number to associate the software with use of or mobile devices on which the software is installed. A license agreement is the right use of software. The next one we see is information thief. Information thief occurs when someone steals personal or confidential information. Encryption is the process of converting data that is readable by human into encoded characters to prevent unauthorized access. A digital signature is an encryption code that a person, website, or organization attaches to an electronic message to verify the identity of message sender. The next term we see is ethics and society. Technology ethics are the moral guideline that groom the use of computer, mobile device, information systems, and the related technologies. Information accuracy is concerned. The intellectual properties refers to a unique and original work such as idea, invention, art, writing, process, company, and product name and logos. Intellectual properties rights are the rights to which creator and entitled to be their work. Copyright protects any terrible form of expressions. A code of conduct is a written guideline that helps determine whether a specification is ethical or unethical, or allowed or not allowed. Information privacy refers to the right of individuals and companies to deny or restrict the collection, use, and dimensions of information about them. Huge database stored online. Websites often collect data about you so that they can customize advertisement and send you personalized email messages. Information privacies include web filtering software that restricts access to specific websites. Thank you.